One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart?
Hello guys, happy new year. Welcome to 2023. This is the first video I'm filming this year, 2023. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope everything with you is fine. Your family, your loved ones, everyone around you is doing great. Welcome to 2023. We are blessed. We are blessed. Yay! Guys, I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for 2022. I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you gorgeous, for joining the gorgeous family. I really appreciate your love. I appreciate everything you guys have done for me to grow this channel, other of my social platforms. I really appreciate. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Love. If you're new here, all I do here, I review wigs from different companies, okay? And I install them simple way because I'm not a professional. I try my best like you, okay? I'm still learning every day to like install my wigs. The most important thing is to review the wigs, to tell you guys the real deal about this wig, okay? About all wigs. If the wig is good, I'll tell you. If it has any faults, I will tell you the truth. The hair I will be revealing today is from voila. Voila, c'est ça. This is the wig I'll be revealing today. It's from Geeta Hair, 100% human hair. See, it's here. This is the name of the brand and it's 100% human hair. Alright guys, so this is the hair I will be revealing today. So guys, all the information about this unit will be on the description box as usual. Check the description box in case if you are interested, okay? Just dash to the description box. This is it. Ooh, something just fell down. Let me see, what's that? Okay guys, there are some goodies that came with it. It's the goodies that fell down. There's a wig cap that came with it, detachable adjustable strap. You just attach this to your wig to make it both firmly to your head. And there is a hairband that is written Geeta Hair. Is it Geeta Hair or Geeta Hair? I don't know how to pronounce this. Pardon me if I'm not pronouncing it well. So this is it. The name is on it. You see, these are like this. You use this to hold your wig down, and also it's like there's another thing inside. Okay, wow, you just attach this to the wig. I think I'm going to try this. We're going to attach this to the wig, okay? Oh, I will bring this out. We will attach this to the wig. Festive. All right guys, I'm supposed to review this wig before Christmas, but so unfortunate I have other ones to do, other hair to review, so that is why I couldn't review this wig. I'm revealing it this year 2023. So the most important thing is that I reviewed this hair with you guys. So the hair is wavy. Let me see if there's any other thing inside. Ooh, there is nothing more. All their social platform is here. Their Instagram, TikTok, their website, and this is their email address. Okay, everything is here. You can see everything, so you can follow them on their social platforms, okay, to get more information about them. So this is the wig, guys. Wow, how many inches? 26 inches. Wow, it's 26 inches. Look at this. It's boldly written here, 26 inches. The longer the hair, the more I love it. The longer the hair, the more I love it, guys. You guys know. If you're not new here, you know. Ooh, look at this color. Guys, just look at this. Look at how gorgeous, 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 gorgeous this wig is. This is fantastic. This is so beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Wow, it's beautiful. See it here. The hairline came plucked. You see, they pre-plucked the hairline. So as a lazy girl that I am, I'm going to install this wig like this. If you are a beginner like me, you can still leave it like this, or if you want to pluck it more, you can do that. Or if it is hairstylist that's going to fix it for you, maybe they might decide to pluck it more. But to me, this is perfect. You see, perfect. The lace is beautiful. You don't need to bleach it, unless if you want, you can do that. So it came with some combs inside and extra inbuilt adjustable strap, okay, and there is a lace at the back. The hair is body wave and is highlight honey blonde 13x4 lace wig, okay, and the density is 250 density. Yeah, the quality of the hair is great and it's HD lace. So guys, it's done. I hook it here so you can adjust it. You can adjust it the way you want, because it has 3 hooks, the first one, the second, and the third one. So I'm going to leave it on the first one, but you can put it second and third. Guys, this is it on. The texture is so cool. It's silky and soft, so soft, and the waves, ooh guys, it's honey blonde. I love the color. So this is it. You can just put your party whichever way you want. First of all, I'm going to cut the excess lace from it. So like I said, if you want to twist it, you can twist it the more, but I'll leave it this way. Let's work on it. So I want to use hair mousse to take the hair backward first. You should know my sister by now. What I do, I go for side part or C part. Okay, let's see. So I'm going for C part. So I've created my parts. You can see it here. Though it's not too pronounced now, later I will make it pronounced. So I'm going to cut the excess lace from the front. Guys, I tied it down. I'm going to comb it. So I did not add cream because the hair is shiny already, so we don't need to add cream to it. You see how it combs easily. And I use a stylish gel, so you can use hair spray, hair glue spray or hair glue, so it depends on what you want to use. So I'll just coil it little.
One step forward, two steps.
I'm going to lose the band from it.
Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling?
So I'm going to open the party and blend the front of the lace, because right now you can see the glue, the gels that I use. So I'm just going to blend that.
I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah.
So guys, that is it.
Forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words.
So guys, I pack the hair, you can see.
Don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low.
You can put the part in wherever way you want. You can decide to put it by the side, in center, corner, anywhere you want to put it. And you can also straighten this hair if you want. You can see the coil is so beautiful. So guys, that is it. I'm going to leave the details of this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. And gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Thank you so much for doing that, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.